Hi guys, welcome back to Step Up. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove your toilet, okay? We're going to be putting vinyl on this floor. So we need to remove the toilet to do a proper installation. So the first thing you want to do is you want to shut your valve off. This is the valve here. You want to shut this off first. And when you do that, you're going to flush the toilet. You can take the lid off and see that all the time you need to flush it twice. And when the water is all drained, and just put this where the lid is here, safe. And the next thing you want to do, you want to take this little cap here off. There's two of them. It's one on each side. You can take this side too off. Okay. And after that, you can use, if you got a tool, I just have a plier here that I'm going to use to take the bolt off. Okay. It's usually not super tight, so you can use whatever tool you have. So you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Yeah. And this one right here, just turn it until it comes off. There we go. And all you need now is a little wiggle to see that everything is moving. And you're just going to lift it up. Okay.
Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
So we're going with this vinyl right here, which is good. So we're just going to mark where we want it. Put a mark here. We're going to be cutting a little bit out. As you can see, it's kind of like a little rounded spot there. That's where we're gonna cut it. You can make it slightly bigger. Don't forget that this thing is gonna cover it, so you can go a little bigger. Okay. Perfect. Let's make that cut. A bucket or whatever you have. Now go around. Now this is gonna go in there like that. So with a little gap, this can close it. Okay. So after getting your next piece, your next piece is gonna go like this. To making the cut, all you need to do is the same thing. Do a little line like that. Make a cut. Now you can see that this is going to click here easily. This is going to go like that. Okay, it's perfect. Remember?
Yeah.
You gotta do it like that here.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.